Is it blinking red?
Yes.
Okay, we're good. Journal entry number 1. As we push through Baghdad, taking its resources, I noticed that this place sucks. There's nothing here. Journal entry number 2. Okay, I fight for the coalition, not America, because America's in a civil war right now. I would push through the trenches if they're taking Midtown. Light this fucker up.
Hey, is he out or what?
Jet, we're gonna kill him.
No, okay. Alright. Go, let's move.
Are you out?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta go. Look, we got a whole nother force coming our way.
Where?
Right over here.
Yeah.
We can get over here and start pushing left.
Yo, we're gonna have to pick up the
Let's
pace,
go.
guys.
We've got eyes on us in that tower right there.
Yeah. Yo, pick up the pace. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm not the fittest person.
You want to take it from the trenches? Do you want to take it from the trenches?
One group move through trenches,
Yeah.
other can like...
Half of y'all go through the trenches, half of us are going to come around. I'll go around.
Say again, Dylan. Okay.
Being the bigger sea, I'm going to fall back and fall up here. Mechanic just rider.
Russians moving in.
Give pirates a go, man. I'll put my spot out.
Iranians moving in, 1 o'clock. And journal entry number 3. Gargo would be proud.
Get a shot at! Move it! Hustle it!
Where's the
Hey,
front?
we're out of range. Mach 12! Eyes it! Got one. Damn!
Dylan!
Don't encourage it!
If we're heading back in, we should go this way because ISIS has transitioned into the edge of the town.
I'm up for...
Those are civvies.
What?
Is that
tower. The
Think-
civvies had the
I
tower.
don't think anybody's in the tower.
Yeah.
They're in the tank right now.
No, look.
No, there's a tower right next to us
there.
that there are people in.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are civvies running up there.
Yo, support gunner.
Yep.
Ready to use that beauty?
Motherfucker. Yeah.
Motherfucker, yes. All right.
Just go fuck him up.
Outbreak James.
I'm done.
Bitch.
I'm done with the
Hey, hold on. We want to clear up that tower. Put Dan up in the tower. Yeah, clear it up. That sounds good. And then put Dan in the tower. And then
Want us to strike a deal with the van?
the tank's farther away.
No, no deals. Just kill everybody.
No. For the moment.
We're about to die.
Are we fucking in? Did the game start already? For real? Yeah.
First Russian is down. We've declared war.
Fuck. Safe. There's only 2 of us.
Let's go get him. What? Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
Let's get ISIS!
Dylan!
Oh, no, we can't. No people behind us. Dylan, we're all going against ISIS. What's that hit? From where? That's me. Yeah.
I get. Hey, it's civilians too. They're shooting us too.
Yeah, get me close enough.
Okay. I could be close enough.
What the fuck?
What the fuck noise was that? What the hell noise is this? Got him! You're shooting your own teammates!
What the hell? No, they're friendlies. Whatever. Hey, Americans are with Russians.
I thought there was only 2 Americans.
No, that we have.
I don't even know half where they were like for an hour.
Come on, let's fucking go.
Yeah, no, they're working with
Respond
us.
right there.
We're all trying to kill ISIS.
They responded to this. We can't really do this. We got to hit that way.
So push fucking back in and around.
Yeah.
They shot the living shit out of me.
Yeah.
Americans did.
There's only 2 of us.
Left?
Yeah.
key, I just been running around shooting people. Fuck it. Like,
Yeah, fucking Russia was getting bored, so like, fuck it, everyone get over ice. Oh, and we got the wings.
Hey, if you see the guy with the gray hair, or the garden,
Garden gloves?
the garden gloves,
Fuck them.
spray their ass because
We already did.
They shot me in the back of the head point blank, and me and Cullen and this guy up in the tower that shot me in the forehead, dude. He's got a welt this big on his fucking forehead.
Colin?
No, the guy up in the tower. He shot me and Cullen in the back of the head. So
What happened with that one Russian?